Welcome back to Divine Tech Technologies. In this short clip, we are going to explain to you and demonstrate to you how live resource will be streaming to your system when they are released this coming week if you will be using our application. So as you can see on the screen, the resource will be streaming. The resource will be streaming as they are coming from KNEC. So the resource will be streaming as they are coming from the KNEC portal. Just using a simulation for now because the results are not yet released. So as you can see on my left on the mobile, the results are streaming and you can see the number of students and the mean grade of the school is changing. Now, this is how we'll be fetching results from the KNEC. So we are going to go to more button on the mobile and then we click fetch. Now once you click fetch, now if you have 100 students and you are the 5 teachers, you can split them into groups of 5. So let's say index number 1 to index number 20 will be sent by teacher 1. And then index number 21 to index number 40 will be sent by teacher 2. So let me assume I'm sending index number 61 to index number 80. So I type 61, the first index number, and my last index number will be number 80. And you can see it now, my start index number is 61 to 80. And it is indicating down there that the next fetch index number is 061. So I click fetch next. Once I click fetch next, it's giving me the SMS manager, and you can see up there the number is 276. So this number you can change, but I don't think they will change. But if it changes, we will be able to change from our side and it will be able to synchronize to your devices. And then down there you can see the index number. So if I don't have to click send, because if I click send, it's going to charge me. It normally charges around 25 shillings. And I don't want to eat up my airtime, so I'll go back. So once you send that one, you come back, it has updated. The next index number is index number 62. So you don't need to type manually. So you click next. So it is ready to send for resource for index number 62, the student index number 62. I go back. Once you send that, you go back. You fetch the next student. So you will continue until I reach index number 80. So this is how we will be fetching results from the next portal. And as you fetch them, the results will be streaming. As you can see on my left, the results are streaming. So they'll be streaming in all your devices that you've installed the application. You can install this app in different mobile phones with the same account and different number of PCs. And you can project this on your projector to a larger screen if you want, if you are many in your staff room. Thank you so much. Welcome again to Divine Tech Technologies. We are here to assist you.